In this video, I will show how to open PowerPoint in laptop. So click on Start, then search here PowerPoint. Now open PowerPoint. And if you don't have Microsoft Office, still you can use PowerPoint. Open any web browser, then search Office Live and press Enter. Now here click on Office Online. Now sign in your account using your Microsoft account ID and password. If you don't have, so you can create a free account on Microsoft, and in this panel you can use this all application online, including PowerPoint, Excel, Microsoft Word. So click on PowerPoint. So these are methods you can open PowerPoint offline and online, and you can use here for free without any software. So thanks for watching and comment on this video useful for you, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.